So what is Redux all about? Well, Redux is a state management library for JavaScript applications. We can use it with React, Angular, Vue, or even vanilla JavaScript because Redux is just a state management library. It doesn't care what library we use to build user interfaces. But why do we need a state management library to start with? Well, if you have ever built an application with a complex UI, you have probably come across this situation where you need to keep different parts of the UI in sync. Let's say the user changes some data in one part of the UI, and other parts of the UI should be immediately updated to reflect the changes. In more complex scenarios, the data can also get updated as a result of network requests or background tasks. In these situations, data can flow from one part of the UI to another and change in unpredictable ways. We have to write a lot of code to keep everything in sync, and when something goes wrong, figuring out how the data changed and where it came from becomes really complex. You might even end up with an infinite loop that is hard to break. If you encountered such problems in your applications, that is a sign you need a state management library. Facebook encountered this problem in 2014 and came up with an architectural pattern called Flux. Redux is inspired by Flux, but it has grown more popular due to its simplicity and elegance. Another popular solution is MobX. With Redux, instead of scattering application state in various parts of the UI, we store all the application state inside a central repository. That is a single JavaScript object called the store. That is a single source of truth. You can think of it as some kind of a database for the front end. So with this architecture, the different pieces of the UI will no longer maintain their own state. Instead, they get what they need from the store. If we need to update the data, there is a single place we have to update. So this immediately solves the problem of synchronizing the data across different parts of the UI. But Redux's architecture also makes it easy to understand how the data changes in our applications. If something goes wrong, we can see exactly how the data changed, why, when, and where it came from. So in a nutshell, Redux centralizes our application state and makes data flow transparent and predictable.